In an effort to raise awareness about monkeypox, Bronx Borough President Vanessa Gibson recently joined community partners on a night of outreach along the 3rd Avenue Bid Hub section of the Bronx.
One of the critical messages that we consistently heard, you have to come to the community. You have to walk the streets. You have to do outreach in the communities that are hard to reach. You have to talk to sex workers. You have to talk to different industries that are affected but don't feel connected to government for many different reasons. And I'm so grateful that this night of action is our efforts to do that in partnership with all of the organizations who are here.
So often our public health is under threat. This night of action and the sustained strategy that is accompanying it will ensure that Bronxites are, number one, getting the information that they need, and number two, learning how to manage their health care.
So far, monkeypox transmission rates have decreased. However, just over 3,600 people in the city tested positive for the virus, with over 600 of those cases here in the Bronx, following higher rates in Manhattan and Brooklyn.
We're also seeing that there's less transmission in the community. But this is all thanks to vaccination, to the city efforts, to the elected officials, the community partners, and the residents who are out there really giving the information to their neighbors, their friends, their family members. So I think that it is important that we recognize that everyone is helping to get this message out there.
The night of outreach came amidst reports that Black and Hispanic New Yorkers still account for the majority of monkeypox cases across the city, highlighting racial health disparities that persist in communities of color. Agencies like the Mayor's Office of Nightlife and Destination Tomorrow share their efforts in sharing resources with the community.
When we first found out about the disease, things were filtered in such a way that communities, especially communities of color, weren't getting the information in real time. At Destination Tomorrow, we have a host of different programs able to target the community in an authentic way so that community members can understand and then be engaged around ways to not only prevent the disease, but also take care of themselves and find treatment.
Whereas issues such as monkeypox are a city-wide concern and not necessarily a nightlife issue, we do look to our nightlife operators and patrons to share that information, educate each other about getting vaccinated, putting up posters that you can find at nyc.gov/monkeypox, and really just use this community to make sure we spread awareness and stop the spread.
Thousands of additional monkeypox vaccine doses are now available for anyone at risk of infection in New York. For vaccine appointments and for latest updates, visit nyc.gov/monkeypox. Reporting for BronxNet, Sonyi Lopez.